What we are reviewing today?
Your mum. Yeah, so we have a choice of three. People fucking dying, better every loot, or fake disorder cringe.
Okay, so I think
Your mum.
we'll take the people dying.
Yeah, okay, so over
Because I love murder.
You're not gonna enjoy this subreddit then. I literally said it's over exaggeration, the subreddit. It is. There you go.
People fucking dying.
My favorite subreddit, you know?
Oh, the Hunter music.
Yeah.
Oh no! Oh, saved. He's gonna sacrifice himself. Oh no!
A noble sacrifice indeed.
Holy shit. Okay, this is already greater than I expected. My mood went from like 0 to 100. What the fuck?
Oh, subreddit's the best I've been at it.
Holy shit.
Jesus Christ, why? Why?
What the fuck are they doing?
I have no clue.
Damn. So you've chosen death. Also, look, I can upvote again. Amazing.
Yeah, oh, hello. Okay.
Okay. Oh, holy. I did not expect that. This should be r/unexpected. What the fuck?
I'll say that. This is just r/unexpected, but with extra steps.
Unstable rocket destroys entire family plus cat. Oh no. Cat!
Oh, I swear to God, this is just gonna be like the weakest shit ever. Yeah.
Nice. Sadistic human makes dogs battle for his amusement.
No, it's Pokemon live action.
Oh, true. Doggy, I choose you. Oh no. Puck soldier undergoes torture.
Oh, hello.
Oh, he's gonna... Holy.
What's he even doing? Is he trying to clip the toenails?
Yeah, they're clipping toenails. God damn, puppy kills duckling and drags body back home, then brings it back to life through Sith powers and sleeps on it. God damn. Wait, so it's just r/unexpected but kind of different.
No, it's literally, as I said before, it's just it's just over exaggeration, the subreddit.
Alright, poor kitty has brain scrambled by alien torture device. Oh god. Okay. God damn it. Monkey forces man to feed him.
What kind of monkey is that?
God damn, he's so aggressive. Jesus Christ, he's about to murder this man's entire family.
Damn, he's even going back up. No,
Merciless breast eats cats for lunch. Oh no. Poor cat! Run!
He can't run, he's counted.
Group of... What? Canines?
Canines, you...
Canines, I've never heard that. What the fuck are canines?
It's a dog.
I see, it devours innocent human as he begs for mercy. Oh, puppy attack.
Puppies! Puppies! Puppies!
Oh my god, they're so cute!
When you step into a cave in Pokemon.
It's like piranhas. They're eating him alive.
Honest.
Monk W.
Oh, did you really just say that out loud?
Yeah, because I can edit in a face. Desperate cyclist tries to prevent falling to his death.
Oh yeah, this was a good one.
Ah, damn. Vicious beast growls and attacks human. Holy.
Incredibly
scary.
Very scary. That cat in the background is watching in like Pure terror.
Sniper hit innocent kid in the face.
Yeah.
Okay.
The way he reacts though is so fucking brilliant.
You actually died. What the?
He genuinely looks like he just got headshot. Fucking no scope.
Wait. This poor dog was left out in the heat and his face melted off. Oh my.
This is why
Dog viciously eats cat alive.
That cat is playing a very dangerous game right there.
True. Oh my. Pet pig brutally murdered by owner in his own house with an axe.
Yo, Steve, sup?
No! Stop it!
Yeah, what is
Poor
that
pig is dying.
That pig has got some Nevite armor on right there.
Vicious beast.
Mauls passengers.
Moss. Alright. Oh, look at a pup.
To be honest, I wouldn't be saying, oh, if that came towards me.
Oh, I would.
I
would be hugging that beast.
I would cry.
Guy taunt. Wild dangerous animal gets brutally attacked.
What the? It's a walking blanket.
So scary and cute at the same time. What the fuck?
Yeah, I don't know what animal this is at all. It looks looks like something you see in an RPG, to be honest.
True. Damn, it's pretty cute. Suicidal house cat wonders where it all went wrong. Jesus Christ, with these titles.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's scary though. What the fuck?
Yeah, cats have no fucking chill. They really don't.
They're chill until they fall.
That cat would survive, don't worry. Nah,
Sick
yeah.
fuck starves kitten until it cannibalizes itself. Dude, these titles, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, they're from the best things ever.
T-Rex brutally murders everyone in Jurassic Park and conquers the world. Oh, this cat, I saw it on Daily Dose of Internet.
Oh, you shadow.
Why?
Because, yes, you're referencing other YouTubers. You're gonna get us demonetized and copyrights claimed.
It's so cute though.
Yeah, and I want to stroke it.
Wait. Sick fuck drops ballistic missile on innocent dog.
The hell?
Okay. Okay. Helpless dog undergoes what the f to extract pure gold.
Where's the pure gold coming from though?
Because it's a golden retriever.
Oh yeah, fair.
Evil cat tries to abort the fetus. Oh my.
Gotta jump on it, isn't it?
What a terrible cat. It's gonna murder the child. Evil scientist exploits poor kitty to create infinity energy.
Infinite energy.
Shut up.
Oh yeah, okay.
Oh no. What a terrible owner. What the fuck? Poor kitty!
Oh!
Oh no.
Yeah,
So terrible.
Yeah, that's the ngDying item.
Jesus Christ. Why would you do that?
Well, anything for infinite energy, you know?
Look at his face, this barbaric face. Breaking news, Forbidden Romance caught 4K. Oh my god, they're cute.
Yeah, I want to pet them both.
Ferocious tiger gets trapped in a whirlpool, unable to swim, dies.
What? Oh. Oh, it's a bastard, something like that.
Child plots revenge. Oh no!
Oh! Oh, fucking wrong!
Is he going to school with that or what?
Nah, he's going to the family reunion.
Oh no!
One, everyone just one.
Innocent dog shot to death.
Is it gonna be a nerf gun or something like that? Oh, yeah.
No! Poor doggo! Hitman Doggo finishes failed poisoning attack.
Oh, I love this video. Okay, yeah, this is brilliant. The dog knew exactly what it was doing when it did it. This was all planned.
No! No! Run, girl!
The
Run!
dog knew what it was doing.
He made sure to finish her off. Oh no.
Just finishing the job.
Disgusting blonde animal plays with himself in public in front of an old black lady.
You had trouble saying that last word, didn't you?
Yes. Can you blame me if it's spelled like this? What the fuck is this, man? Cat roasting some dogs. Oh no!
Oh, it's not cartoon now.
Poor dogs.
Oh, I just realised.
Cat roasting some dogs. No.
We roasting Sesame Boys.
Murder scientist creates device to melt down all life on the planet in blinding molten supernova.
Yeah, wow, you're actually clicking like, oh. Brilliant. Oh, it's this thing. Oh, I fucking love this.
What is this? What the fuck?
Son. It's literally the sun. Let's just say that. You'll understand why I said that in a second. Yep.
Oh my Jesus.
Yep, keep going. Keep watching.
Bruh. It's
No,
gonna be
that's-
completely white at the end.
No, just keep watching.
Wait, it continues.
It's at night. Look at it. It's night and now it's fucking day.
Bro, that's about to blow up. That's a fucking nuke about to go off. Holy.
Imagine you're just trying to sleep and all of a sudden the sun appears
A
next to you.
fucking neighbor, dude.
Oh.
Dog's brain victoriously extracted by alien claw.
Viciously extracted.
Oh,
Yo, it's Scooby-Doo.
listen, I just see the VIC and I guess the rest. I can't be bothered to read, man.
And you're not equipped for this subreddit, are you?
Title for this video will be Yugi Boy got brain tumor and can no longer read. Child poisoned by juice of forbidden fruit.
Yeah, okay. I literally made a joke about drinking one
Lemon
of those
juice.
things yesterday. What the fuck?
Death by electrocution.
Oh, you actually read it. That was
Poor
amazing.
bird, no!
The death sentence looks different here.
Giant cat destroys town, killing thousands. Holy, that cat is fat.
Yeah, it's you as a cat.
If that was me, you would only see bones. Come on, man.
Yeah, good point.
Demon gets electrified by an ancient ritual for the destruction of mankind.
What the whoa, hold on.
What the fuck is going on?
That's a fucking they need an exorcism.
I think that was enough for today.
Oh, finally I can leave you. Jesus Christ.
But by far the best video was the first one, dude. This one was
Yeah.
fucking so good. Oh wait, from start. No! Stop.
Hunter.
I will sacrifice myself. Holy shit. This video, man.
Yep.
And that is it, everybody. Leave a like, subscribe, and join my Discord.
And make sure to mass support Gleyveon on Twitch today.
No!